Good morning. Welcome to Autodidactic Therapy. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my coffee every morning. Start warm up the machine, making sure there's enough water. Let me go ahead and add some water. All right, make sure to fill it up to max or close up to it right here. Put that in. Go. Pretty nice. Central perk from Friends. That's pretty awesome. Got one for my coffee. So I just got so you want whole beans? You can see that, whole beans. And I like Dancing Goat, so this one actually tastes really good. I love it. It's about 17 bucks at the Dancing Goat kind of coffee shop. So bought it, tried it, loved it. Definitely recommend it. So what I normally do is I have a scale right here. I put it on the scale and it's zeroed out, and I'm gonna try to pour it to 18. I think 18 grams. Because that's perfect for the espresso shot. One more. Oh, just over. No good. Too many beans. One bean. More bean. Perfect. 18. Woo. Throw it on my grinder. Turn this off. Alright. Here we go. Got a little adapter. You can just put it in here, push it in, it'll grind it for you, but I have a little adapter so it won't spill. Go ahead and zoom in for you. And there's always leftover, so what I normally do, open the cap, tap it. All the residue fall down. We're good. Tap the stop. So I have this tamper. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just push it down so that none of the coffee falls out. So right here, open it up. I have another tamper. I have a couple tampers, so this one's really neat. It's weighted and it's already calibrated, so it gets it perfect. So all I do is push it down, spin it, you get a perfect tamper. This machine comes with one. This is a Breville, but it has its own tamper. So based on adjustment, based on pressure, I got this one online on Amazon too as well. And it comes with like a little station, a little mat to put it on, so to tamper it. But I feel like this is the easiest route to go. And then I'm gonna add an extra filter on top, right here. And then all I have to do, put it in here, slide it, turn. This is getting full. So right here you can see it, right here. When it's full, that means it's load of water. When it's done doing this thing, it's gonna clean itself out, and underneath is where it's gonna hold all the water. So you can pull this out and dump all the water. Careful. There we go. Just dump all the water. Let's bring it back, slide it in, there we go. So make sure it's tight, put the cup underneath. I'm gonna always do mine at 2 shots espresso, because I want mine to be strong. I'll just press that. Nice and smooth. I love this machine. There we go. So that's done. Okay. There we go. It does come with this cup for the heating up the milk, frothing it, I think. I love to use whole milk, especially the A2. It's actually, when you heat it up, it makes the milk sweet, so you don't need to add much of sugar or at all. So I kind of like to pour mine halfway right here. You can see the line right there where I get most of my coffee. So this will steam the milk. All you have to do, here we go, make sure that the wand is in the milk, and then here's the lever, turn it, and it's going to heat itself up. It's a whole process, but it's definitely worth it. So here, I'm going to show you real quick. You want a swirling motion where it swirls the milk. There we go. Basically what it does is it shoots hot air, hot steam into the milk. It makes it fluffy. There we go. Now it's spinning. And you want to keep injecting more air into it so that way you get the foam. There we go. And to tell if it's done, just touch the bottom. Make sure it's not hot, it's warm. If it's too hot, that means you're burning the milk. Oh man. Nice cup of joe.